Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with YouTube AdSense account inside Google Workspace. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate your YouTube AdSense account inside Google Workspace, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Workspace admin console. Sign in using your admin credentials. Once logged in, locate the Apps section in the dashboard. Click on Apps to expand the menu. From there, select Google Workspace. Next, choose Google Drive and Docs. Scroll down to find Manage API Client. In the Client ID field, enter the client ID for your YouTube AdSense account. You can find this client ID in your YouTube AdSense account settings. Now, in the One or More API Scopes field, enter the following scopes: https://www.googleapis.com/auth/admob. This scope will allow Google Workspace to access your AdSense data. Click on the Authorize API button to grant permission. Once the authentication is complete, return to your Google Workspace admin console. Next, navigate back to the main menu and select Security. Under Security, click on API Controls. Here, ensure that API access is enabled. This will ensure that your Google Workspace can communicate with your YouTube AdSense account. After verifying all settings, log into your YouTube account. Go to the Creator Studio by clicking on your profile icon and selecting YouTube Studio. In the YouTube Studio, locate the Monetization tab in the left sidebar. Click on Monetization to access your AdSense settings. You should see a prompt to link your AdSense account if it's not already connected. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the linking process. Once you've linked your AdSense account, return to your Google Workspace admin console. Check your settings to confirm that the connection is successful. Now you are ready to manage your AdSense account within Google Workspace. That concludes the tutorial on authenticating your YouTube AdSense account inside Google Workspace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.